Okay, hey guys, today I just want to show a quick little video kind of going over some basic principle, basic concept that we talk about with our training. It has to do with the posture. So we often, that'd be one of the basic simple things that we talk about on all our exercises, maintaining proper posture. Most of the exercises that we do are going to be what we refer to as a neutral posture, which is the position that Troy's in now. Basically, if we have good, healthy, optimal posture, the ear is going to be aligned over the shoulder is going to be aligned over the hip, which is over the knee, which is over the ankle. And then we're going to have a slight curve in the cervical spine and the lumbar spine, okay? So that will be a neutral spine position, okay? So for most of our exercises, we're going to be maintaining that. But what we're going to demonstrate today is the idea of really, if you kind of take it to a neurological perspective, the nervous system's primary objective is to protect. So we're wired for safety. So if the spine is misaligned, okay, the nervous system is going to get basically feedback that we're in danger. So if we move out of good alignment, out of posture, and put the spine in a more vulnerable position, we're going to get less neural input to our working muscles, and so it's going to create a weakness in that area, right? So just for demonstration purposes, we're gonna, and we can do this with you as well if you like you actually feel this. But Troy's gonna hold his arms out to the side, okay? It's not a strength test, we just want him to differentiate between the two, right? So first, he's gonna hold there, I'm gonna give him some pressure. He's just gonna resist me pushing his arms down, okay? And we're gonna do it nice and slow, right? Ready, Troy? And resist. Okay, so Troy's got good strong shoulders, good strong deltoids. We're going to have him do the same thing. He's going to turn to the side. He's going to look one side. You're going to hold your arms up and resist. Okay. And really, do you feel any difference?
A little bit.
Okay. So it's going to be harder with the second position, just by moving his head. Okay. So a lot of times we see this. We'll tell people maintain that neutral head and neck position, which is what he was doing in the first repetition. And then let's say we're doing a leg extension or a leg press or any exercise, and all of a sudden we're turning our head to look at the weight stack, okay? We're basically doing what Troy did just there, and it may not feel like it at the moment, but you're actually putting your spine in a more vulnerable position. So we want to, one, keep neutral for safety, but also, as you can see here, it also puts you in a stronger position, so you can actually have a greater output and a better workout. Thanks a lot, guys.